Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade in US dollar versus Canadian dollar, where we'll try to capture good move. In this pair we will follow the trendline breakout strategy, which is our high probability strategy. Here I am applying trade according to my risk, where good profit is expected. Neat guys, after applying trade. Guys, our trade has been applied. Today we are going to grow the small account. I have $500 in this account, which will grow with the right analysis. I will tell you the right analysis here. How can we make good profit, by which we can easily grow small account here. The market is running in a downtrend for a long time. If we go further back, then the market is running downtrend for almost 20 days. You will understand better as the analysis will happen in the future. Let's create the trend channel first. The market has been following this trend line for some time, where we will get to see the lower high point. We'll connect all these points well with the trend line so that we can get the perfect trend line. Draw the second trend line at the lower low point with the same angle. It works as a support. The market has been moving in this trend channel for some time, where we will get to see the lower low, lower high points. The trendline breakout has taken place at this point, from where the market can make a good upward move. The way we have drawn the trend line, according to him, this would be a real breakout. So far, our trend channel is drawn correctly so that we can do better analysis. Now we will draw the support resistance level, from which we will get more signals to go up the market. I am using rectangle tool to draw this strong support resistance level. We have created multiple support resistance points at this level, which are all strong reversal points. Support become resistance pattern is created here, which are created at strong level only. The market has respect very well to this strong level. Here also you will get multiple support resistance points, where the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. This is a strong support resistance level of the market, from which we are getting strong reverse points. The market broke this level a while ago with an bullish engulfing candle. First the market gave a trendline breakout and then a rectangle breakout. High percentage chance the market should go up from here. Here our analysis is complete. We have done the right analysis from our side. If this is real breakout, then we will get to see good results. Now we have to set stop loss and target point, which is very important. Here my stop loss will be below 20 pips, that is below the strong support resistance level. Then our stop loss will be hit, but according to the analysis, the market should go up, and the target point will be up 40 pips, where the market can make a new higher high. All our signals are pointing to the market going up. Guys, we are currently running losses around $50. We are growing small account here, which is $500. I quickly place stop loss and target points. Guys, we now wait patiently. Let's see till when the market achieves our goal. My loss in this trade is $500, which I have already calculated. If we have a loss here, then our account will be zero. We have tried our best to do the correct analysis, predicting the market is in our hands. But no one knows where the market will go next. See you guys after a while. Till then, enjoy the video.
I'm here to make it to the top. I'll take a shot. I'll overpower any boss, cause I am not
Let's go!
that you would wanna cross.
I move quietly, like a shadow, there's a dark side to me. I work privately to go build and create my own dynasty.
Guys, market has given beautiful move here. Our analysis was correct, due to which the market went up. We kept our psychology strong here. The market has been up and down a lot, but later our target was hit. Market moving up with high volume, as you can easily see in the chart. Now after analyzing further, I will tell you what pattern the market can make in the future. Our target point was at this level, that hit the market 10 pips above our target level. There is a big bullish candles here, where we drew strong support resistance level. The market again took multiple support at the same level, indicating that it is a strong level. Now let's create another strong level here. The market had taken multiple resistance at this level, which has been broken some time back. At this level you will get to see multiple support resistance points, which are very important points here. Market resistance become support pattern has been created, which is a strong uptrend pattern. Let us close the trade now. Our goal has been achieved. Always follow the rules. Guys, our profit is running around $1,300. We have grown our account from $500 to $1,800. You too can easily do this with proper risk management and proper analysis. Like the video if you like it. If you don't, pass the channel, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, always keep learning, keep moving forward.